Hey everybody! We finally finished our Sugar Plum Christmas Junk Journal. Thank you for bearing with me. This is part 4 and away we go. So hi everybody! I had planned to only have 3 parts, but I had so much video for part 2 that I turned it into part 3. So now we were here on part 4, and here is our junk journal, and it's pretty chock full of stuff. We are going to put this toggle on after the fact, so I haven't done it yet, but it will be on here. Little charm hanging here with some more charms and some ribbons, so that will be a nice surprise for the lucky person who buys this, as this will be for sale on the Etsy store right away. So there's that, and this will be wrapped with a ribbon, so you can close it however you see fit. I didn't want to put it on here because I didn't want to wreck our cover. So let's go ahead and look at this. I'm just going to give you just a brief look at it, and every once in a while I might say something, but we're going to set this to some awesome Christmas music so you can just enjoy, as you've seen a lot of this already in parts 1, 2, and 3. So here we go. Also wanted to mention that there will be some different clips, some more genuine and older looking clips used, but they haven't been changed out yet. This is a pocket. And there will be finishes, different ribbons and trims in a bag that will come with this, so you can put whichever finishes you want on the different projects that we've included inside. And this is with our handmade paper, and the video will be linked up top. Pocket. Genuine card from 1921. Envelope from 1918. And a receipt from 1931, and these are both original. This also is original. I believe this is from the 20s. dyed. This is also a pocket, some little pieces. Make both of these into a tag, and there will be a hole punched in there. This is a window envelope with a picture inside. And you can take that picture out and put a new one if you want, or store anything else inside that. There's some little pieces in this that you could put on any of the pages. Also a pocket. This is a fabric flip. This will be clipped. It's a glycine bag with some different pieces inside. So that will be clipped to that side. Handmade paper. Inside there. Here's an original card from 1909 and an original receipt or time card from 1890, I believe. Maybe it's newer than that. I don't know. It says 90, so I'm guessing that this is 1890, but you never know. It could be 1990, but I don't think it's that new. Most of my train things that I have are from around 1900, so I'm not sure. Vintage ledger. Something under here again, and clip it if you wanted to. Envelope. This is a pocket. And that's it. So this was our completed journal. It's our Sugar Plum Christmas Junk Journal featuring Lorna Taylor from Taylor Made Journals, line A Christmas Wish. The cover is using Kathy Holden fabrics, and again it's for sale on my Etsy shop, or in my Etsy shop, so the link will be down below, or in my Facebook page for those of you who don't shop Etsy and live more local. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed these videos. There's tons more coming, lots of Christmas, and lots more of what you've asked to see. So don't forget to subscribe, and please like my videos if you like them, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. I appreciate everybody's support this past year. It's been amazing, and I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.